Okay, good day once again. I'm here to present another Microsoft Excel tutorial, and this time the topic will be our if and function. Let us begin. Now, in this situation, what we're asked to do is that we're meant to give or settle the amount of bonus each person gets for the sales, and what the situation here is that we were asked to give if our if any individual who passes their sale targets should be given passes their sale target and passes their variance, they should be given a particular bonus. Now, this can be done using our if and statements. What the if and statement does is that it is used to create a logical test where there are several possibilities and they all need to be true in order for the overall test to be true. Okay, let me show you how it's done. First, we start with our equals to if, and then inside formulas, logical, get forget, and just like the if function, where we can give only one possibility, this one can be given several options, several possibilities, so if you can say it like that. Now, if for instance, if the person reaches his or passes his target, that's if D3 is greater than or equals to E3, greater than equals to E3, and also if F3 is greater than or equals to 0, press OK, cancel, it's enough. If these are the options, if it's greater than equals to 0, or if variance is equal to 0, these are the conditions. If this condition must be met in order for them to be given their bonus, and then this whole AND function is served as the logical test. Now, if the logical test is correct, the activity that should be taken is that D3, they should be given a bonus of the amount of sales they get. For instance, if it's true, they can receive a 20% bonus of D3, which is of their sales. If it's true, give 20% bonus of their sales. But if it's not true, right, if they don't meet their target, we can say D3, the only bonus they're going to receive is 5%. 5% of their bonus. And this is how it's done. Press enter. Now, this person did not reach his the standard in order to giving a 10% bonus, and then he was giving 5% of this. But you can copy and paste for all the options here. Okay, now this person here, he reached all the criteria for his bonus, and then he was given 20% bonus, and this can be done as long as we want for every situation.